Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Hanif Ibrahim Zaki. Good afternoon, everyone. And today I'll be teaching how to make a company profile using Bootstrap, like the one I have right here. Yeah, we'll try to make this in Bootstrap. So let's get started. Wait a sec. Right here we have Visual Studio Code. As you can see, first of all, we need to add an index file. So we type in index.html. Yep. Here we have a blank index file, and then what we do next is we add Bootstrap CSS and Bootstrap GS. So how we do it? We first open uh, Bootstrap website. So type in Bootstrap, and we'll let Google search it for us. Here we have the first option, so we'll click it, and this is the landing page. So right now we'll be linking this what's the name index file to the Bootstrap website instead of downloading the Bootstrap package. So we'll be using introduction, and we'll copy the second option here, right here. We'll click this, and we go back to Visual Studio Code, and paste it. Now we have the Bootstrap demo, as we type here Bootstrap demo. So this is the blank file. So what do we do next? First of all, we're gonna make this part. So we erase the h1 hello world and type in dot container fluid. So it would fill the right and left part of the page. So we type dot container and dot container fluid, and then we put the background color as we want. Here we are using dark. So in Bootstrap we actually have background, and how do we know background colors, and how do we know it? We can search it right here, background color, and right now I'll be using background dark, this one, the option right here, background dark. So we'll type it in our Visual Studio Code, BG dark. We haven't have anything yet right here because we haven't typed anything. And now we'll type in the text. So first of all, we'll put text light. So text light basically make our text colors into white, as mentioned in Bootstrap text color. Wait a second. Colors. Right here, text light. And text light is the most similar color right now. So we'll use text light. And then we want to put our text in the center. How do we do it? We use text alignment. Text alignment. So how do we make our text centered? As mentioned in Bootstrap, we use text center, the class text center. So we'll type it text center. Now we've typed in text center. Now what do we do next is we write the big letter, welcome to our biotech hub. So we'll put H1, header 1. So basically in HTML, when you type headers, the smaller the number, the bigger the text is, or the bigger the font is. So right now we'll write welcome. We'll write welcome to our biotech hub. To our to our biotech hub. Now we've got the H1 here, the header. Welcome to our biotech hub. But somehow it's much bolder than this one. So how do we get rid of this? So first of all, we'll write class, and then we'll write uh, FW light. So FW is basically font weight is the same as font weight in CSS, but it's in Bootstrap. So right here, if you search in Bootstrap, font weight. Here we have lightweight text. And how do you write it? We use FW. So I'll be using the same thing, FW, because it's the most similar thing right now. FW. It looks pretty good now. Now what do we do next is we write the paragraph. How do we write the paragraph? Is we'll be using lead. P class lead. And then we'll write the contents. I'll just copy it from this website, pioneering the future of biotechnology with innovative solutions. Then I'll paste it here, and we got the same thing. You'll see the difference when we write a paragraph with the class lead and without the lead class. We'll erase lead. Now it's just like a normal paragraph, but if we write lead, we'll get a better type of text that's pretty similar to this. And we can find out more about lead in Bootstrap. We can search it, lead, right here. Lead is a paragraph that stands out from regular paragraphs. Now what we need to do is adjusting the margins or the padding. We'll be using padding right now. Wait a second. We'll be using let's try here. We'll type in here PY. I'll use XL 5. It's not yet similar. What do we do next is we make the text bigger so that it looks pretty similar. We use the display class, display 3. So basically, what does display do uh, in Bootstrap? Display change the value of display property, and it makes text bigger. Look, it makes text bigger, right? Now we have pretty the same, uh, pretty the same view right now. Next, what do we do is we make another container to contain this part. So we'll type in below, we'll close this first, and we'll type another container. We'll use dot container so that it automatically generate a division. We'll use container, and then to make it looks better, we'll use py5. What is what is py? So py in Bootstrap is uh, padding. It adjusts both padding top and padding bottom. So I use py here. So now we'll write the contents. First of all, we'll write the discover our universe. As I guess it's a basic H2, isn't it? It's just a normal H2. So we'll write a normal H2, and then we'll write discover our universe. Right now we just need to adjust it a bit. We'll use class again, and how to make this word, this H2, the heading 2 position in the center, we'll use the text center. Now it looks better. Now what do we do next is these three we'll make these three first of all, we'll use row. It will automatically generate a division with a row class, and then we'll make a column part. So basically, there are 3 columns. So how do we do it? Wait a minute. So I'll explain first. In Bootstrap, columns are divided into 12. So yeah, from this part to this part is divided into 12 parts. So we'll make dot column lg 4. I guess it looks better. Yeah, 4 times 3 is equal to 12, so it will fit the whole page. Okay. We'll multiply it by 3, so it automatically generates 3 divisions. Now what do we do next is we make a image container so that we don't waste our time much. We'll use alt and then click each of this part, and then we'll write emg slash container. Actually not a bootstrap element or bootstrap class, but just to make our task easier, and right round it there. uh Now we'll write We'll write the .emgs to place the image. Dot no emg dot emg fluid. And then we'll fill these srcs. We'll search from unsplash, or maybe we can use pixabay. Wait a minute, we'll search. First of all, here we have genetic testing. So let's search for for DNA. It's pretty the same to wait a minute. Here it is. We'll just copy the image address and paste it here, the first one. Then we'll search for medicine, I guess. That's a medicine. That's a picture of a uh, various medicines being spilled. So medicines. And search. Okay, here we have. Um, Now let's just copy the image address and then go back here and paste it over here. It looks pretty messed up right now, but don't worry, we'll take care of this later. And then what do we have next? We have bioinformatics. Bioinformatics. Wait, I guess there's no image of bioinformatics. Yeah, there are no. So let's just search in Pixabay bioinformatics. Hopefully they have some. No, they don't have. So let's just search for informatic. Seriously? Uh, informatics. It should be here somehow. No, it's not here. So let's search for it. Informatics. Hopefully they have some. Okay, it looks much better now. I'll just take. I'll just search for random stuff here. No, we don't have the same thing. So let's just take this picture, copy image address, and paste it over here. So right now we have three images already, but in awful sizes. One is too high, another one is too short. So now we need to take care of this. So how do we take care of this? We'll use. Wait a second. Oh, I guess I made a mistake. Let's just paste it inside the image container. Place them inside the image container. We'll do this. We need to do this one by one because they are in different sizes. And then another one will also cut this thing out. Okay, cut and paste inside. So now, nothing changed yet. So wait a minute. Shift Alt F, so it looks more bare. Um, we'll use style, so they can have the same height and width. So let's take 197 px, and yep, nothing change. And let's set the width into 296 px. Okay, that will look there. Now we'll do the same thing to the others. No, oh, wait. Okay, they have changed it in size, but still looks awful. It's okay. Um, Next thing we do is we hide the overflow, set it into hidden, and do the same thing to the others. Overflow, and set them to hidden. No, oh, sorry, hidden. Ah, now they have the same size except for this one. So how do we make it same? We'll just adjust it from the image itself. We'll use style. Um, let's set the height into 110%. Sorry, wrong. Let's set it over here. Now we have the same size. Now they all have the same size. Um, Now what do we do next is we write the text inside it. So we'll just immediately type them in. Let's use H4, and then we'll write here. What do we have here? We have genetic testing. Let's write genetic testing. Yep, we have genetic testing, and then here we have drug discovery. Drug discovery. Okay, and bioinformatics. Bioinformatics. Yep, I have three of them right now, but their spacings are still awful. So let's set it from here. We'll use PB. So PB basically is adjust the padding, but the bottom for the bottom part. PB4, I guess. Yep. No, I'll use PB3. I use PB3 is much better. Now they look the same. Now what do we do next is we adjust the margin or the padding for these three texts. So I'll use so I'll just immediately control D this. No, we can't. Or I'll just alt and click each of them and type in class and then margin top empty. So let's try four for the moment. It's too far. Let's try three. Much better. Okay, what do we have next? We have a text right here. So we'll close this container first. We're done with that. And make a new container by typing dot container. Um, dot container. Uh, Okay, this must do. This will do. Wait. Oh yeah. Dot container, and then we'll type in the paragraph p and just copy paste this thing. Let me copy it. Control C, inbox journey, and then paste it right here. Yep, now we have nice looks very similar, but for the spacing. Now we'll adjust the spacing of this container. We'll use py5, the same thing. Now they look pretty the same. Uh, what we have next is accordion. We'll just clean the code first and then type in down here dot accordion. Yep. Now we have made the accordion element, but we haven't made the contents yet. Um, we'll type the ID is equal to biotech accordion. So it's about biotech right now, right? Yeah. Or if you want, guys, you can search from here accordion. Yep. Now you got examples of accordion, but I'll just make it by myself. Accordion, and then we'll type the first thing inside. We have accordion item. We'll type in dot accordion slash. No, it's not slash. Accordion item. What do we have? We have this line, but no accordions yet. Next thing is we write the contents. Let's put H2. H2 genetic testing and analysis. Genetic testing and analysis. It's right now too big, I guess. That's the wrong one. Um, wait. I have a bit of trouble right now. So we'll put H2 and then just make it as the accordion. No, no, wrong. H2 accordion header. Make it the text of this part accordion header here. Accordion header. Okay, we have an accordion header here, but it haven't showed up yet. And then we'll put the button, and make a class for it. We'll uh, of course we'll type in accordion button, and then we'll write type button, and then write data bs toggle. We'll put collapse, and then next is we put the data bs target, and then we'll type in um, the ID we would like to write later. I'll use genetic testing. Genetic testing, I guess, is there. Yeah, genetic testing. testing. So just let's make it collapse. Yeah. Now let me clean it up. Yep, it's much more clean. And then how is it now? Okay, it's already good right now. And we'll not need to write the area thingy, area expanded, expanded. Right here, true. And then area controls, area controls. All right, genetic testing collapse. Let's just name it genetic testing collapse. And then we'll write the name genetic testing and analysis as it's written here. Genetic testing and analysis. Okay, now we have an empty accordion, a single accordion here. What do we do next is we just copy paste this thing. How many times? Four times, I guess. No, yeah, four times. Let's just copy and then paste it. One, two, three. So we have three right now, and four. Let's just play around with this. We'll put. No, wait a second. What do we do? What What do we have next? Oh, we have the the body. So let's now make the body div. Oh, we'll just place it accordion collapse and then dot collapse, and then we'll write show so it shows up when we press when it uncollapses itself. Okay, and then we'll make the ID. Keep in mind that the ID should be the same as this. No, let's just copy paste this thing. Genetic testing collapse. And then um we'll have to put the area labeled by, and then put the genetic testing header. Genetic testing header. And then we'll put the database parent. Oh, wrong. So the database data BS parent. We'll write here biotech accordion. Biotech accordion. So right now we have an empty accordion. Keep in mind that this should be written the same as this one. Look, yeah, they're the same. Now we fill in the division. What do we write? We'll write another div. We'll type in another div, accordion body inside the div, accordion body. Okay. Now so it looks the same as this. It's I guess it's using lead, the same thing as this one. So we'll use p dot lead to auto generate a paragraph element with the class lead. Mm, sorry, wrong. And then let's just copy paste this thing. Control C, and paste it over. Shift Alt F. Now it looks pretty similar to this one. Now we'll need to write the list. So it's using list here, right? Um, the the text key features is using a normal P. So let's just use the paragraph element and then write in key sorry key features. Now it looks pretty the same, and then we'll make the list ul unordered list, and then we'll make an le for around wait a second, we'll have three, so we'll write three times le. Now the auto generate an tree list, and then let's just quickly copy paste this stuff. mm, oh, oh. Now we have let's just copy paste this, keep copy pasting, and now it looks pretty the same. Now we have a button here, a button. So let's make a button. So let's just make a link here instead of a button. Instead of a normal button, we'll use an A with the Bootstrap button class, button primary, and MT4, so that they have a bit margin from up here. Yep, we haven't write anything yet. Sorry. And now we'll write explore genetic. Now it looks pretty good. Now what do we do next is wait, I don't like this thing. Let's just use the outline type. Outline primary. Now they looks there. Wait, button. Here there's outline buttons. Yep. So I'm using this one button outline primary. And I a bit don't like the border, so let's just set the border is just 210. So let's just make it 2. Yeah, it looks better now. And make the FW bold. Now it looks better. Now we have three more to go. So let's just copy paste this thing first. No. From here, right? Yeah, from here, copy. Okay, I've copied it, and then let's paste it over here. Yeah, and then this one will be about drug discovery, right? So we'll write drug discovery instead. Drug discovery, and oh yeah, drug discovery and development. Development. Yeah, we haven't set it yet. So let's just set it now. We'll use just Control D, Control D, And right, wait, I guess I'll just use this one. Okay, Control D, Control D, Control D, and right drag discovery. Left work. Now, um, oh yes, the the area expanded. The area expanded should be false, so that it will close. Oh, it still doesn't work. What's wrong? Yeah. Oh yeah. Remove this show. Yeah, now it looks better. It doesn't show up anymore now. Now we'll just copy this one, embark on the journey, and then replace this one. Shift Alt F, tidy up the codes. Yeah, now it's very the same as the thing. Um, Instead of key feature, we'll write our expertise, target identification and validation, target validation, yeah. High throughput, high. Oh, there's no space. Through, sorry, through put screening, preclinical, and clinical development. Oh, um, no, it's the same. And just play this thing around. Instead of genetic testing, we'll use drug discovery. Discovery. Then we have bioinformatics. And I'll close this thing and just copy paste it. I guess just copy paste it two more times. Shift Alt F, adding it up, and then set up this one first. Wait a second. I guess I made a mistake. Yeah, I did. I did made a mistake. Control Shift Z. Yep. Accordion item. Accordion, accordion. Oh, here. Yeah, accordion item. Let's just copy paste this to more. One and two. Um, Now it's about bioinformatics and data analysis. Bioinformatics and data analysis. Bioinformatics and data analysis. We have data analysis right now, and just mess around with this code. Control D, Control D. No, yeah, from here. Control D, Control D, Control D. Uh, let's change it into bioinformatics. No, no, no. It's bioinformatics. We'll use bioinformatics. Okay. Yep. How does it look now? Yeah. Let's copy paste this one. Yep. Shift Alt F. We're done with that. Now we'll write the our capabilities. Really, and the next generation sequencing analysis. And then structural bioinformatics and statistical analysis and machine learning. It's basically all about bio and informatics. Um, explore bioinformatics. Informatics. Now it's pretty similar to the bioinformatics that we have here. Now let's move to the next one. We'll move to the third accordion. We'll write here custom biotechnical technology solution. Custom biotechnological. Oh no, it's custom biotechnology solutions. Okay, now we've write it. It's pretty the same now, but still has the same targets like the one here. Now we'll take care of that. Just select this and then Control D, and Control D again. Now we have now we write um we'll write uh I guess custom solutions there. Just custom solutions. Oops, sorry. Solutions. Now how is it? Yeah, they look very good now. Now let's just copy paste like we did before. Control C. Yep. Alt F. Then what we offer. Okay, now consultation and project planning. Prototype development. Um Now it's pretty the same, right? It's pretty the same as this one. Yeah, they're pretty the same. Now we'll move to the third part is connect with us. So we'll just close this container up. Yeah, I closed it. Then make a third one, two, three, yeah, fourth container. We'll make the fourth container. So dot container. I guess I forgot something. Oh yes, we haven't edited this yet. Sorry, sorry. We'll write. Wait, I forgot. We'll write custom. Explore custom solution. Explore custom solution. Now they look the same now. Yeah, same. Now we'll make that for. We'll continue to the fourth container. We write the container and then we'll write the contents. First of all, we'll not write the connect with us text. Connect with us. We'll use normal H2 connect with us. Wait, connect with us. Yeah. And then let's just align this thing text center as we did before. Oh, sorry. Class and then text center. Now we have connect with us around down there, and let's make it the same as wait here. So we have padding bottom tree, PB3, PB3, PB3. Yeah, now it's position more bare. Now we'll write the content. We'll continue into the contents. Um, First of all, we'll write dot row, of course, because we'll make two parts here. One for the map, one for the text. So row, and then so it's basically divided into two. 12 divided by 2 is equal to 6. So we write dot call lg6. Yep. No, we'll make it 2. So star 2. Yeah. Now we got 2. Um, Next is we write the paragraph here. So it uses lead again. First of all, I'm gonna before that I'm going to clean up my code first, tidy it up, shift alt F again, and then continue back. I'll write the P with the class lead. Now we'll write the this thing. If you have questions or want to explore more, I mean to explore collaboration, sorry, collaboration opportunities, opportunities, feel free to reach out. Feel free to reach out. Yep. Now we have the same thing. Our own website. Now we'll make the list. So this is basically a list. List. Yep, like this one. So to make it easier, I'll just copy paste it. Where do we place it? Yeah, we placed it before after the lead. I'll use Shift Alt F again. It's pretty messed up. Shift Alt F again. Yeah, now it's there. Yeah, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll erase that one. We'll use address. Okay, address. Oh, sorry. Address. Uh, okay, I've wrote address. And then let's just 1, 2, 3 Future Avenue, whatever it is. 1, 2, 3 Future Avenue. In no, sorry. Have mispressed. Must have mispressed the tab button. Innovative. It's just written here. No, it's innovative. Yeah. and then write Earth. Okay, now we have address. So our address is actually in 123 Future Avenue in Novedivia, Earth. So okay, let's just skip that thing. And then write our phone. So I'll just do the same thing. 123. No, God. 123. Now it looks better. 456 789 0. Looks awful. So let's just remove this bracket, the closing bracket, and replace it with whatever this thing is called. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0, and now we'll move to the email. Okay. Oh my God, someone must have messed up with that thing. We'll write email. Um, email, and then let's just write the A. Mail to info at biotech. What's the email? I forgot. Biotech future future.com. Now how does it look? Wait. Oh, yeah, I forgot. So we'll write the email info at biotechfuture.com. But it's just a made up email. No. So it's I messed up. It's just a random email. Don't think it's a real email, okay? Now we're done with the listing. Now let's move to the map. Here we have area 51. So I'm just gonna do the same thing. So let's open maps.google.com. Okay. And where do well? So I'll search area 51. Nobody cares about that, right? The government won't even catch me for this thing. Here, wait a second. I guess. Oh, sorry. So we'll use uh in English it's share, and then embed, and just copy the HTML and place it here. Yep. Now we have an iframe. Yeah, but it isn't round. It's so bad. So let's just round this thing up. Class round round it 4. At least it looks better than this one. Okay. So we have area 51 right here. Area 51. Okay, it looks the same now. Yeah. Now we just need to adjust this. God, it's I'll use PB again 3 so that it doesn't touch the ground. Yeah, it looks better. It didn't touch the ground now. No, 5 I guess it's there. 5. No, I'll use M NB5. Can we use NB instead? Margin instead of using padding? Yeah, so the same now. Now we have the same thing. Okay. Wait, I guess we messed up with something here. Overflow hidden, yeah, you're right. Right. Okay, who even cares about that? Now we'll make this thing responsive. Because look, it just looks so messed up when we make this thing smaller. Look, it's messed up, too messed up. So let's first of all we'll use this thing. It's 908. Let's see. No, it's not overview. It's in containers, isn't it? Yeah. Um, 908. Where does it goes to? It goes to LG, isn't it? It's yeah 908. No, it's medium. So let's just make this thing uh placed in the center. Seriously, make it justify content center. No, it still looks awful. Wait, justify content center. I guess deflex still looks awful. Yeah, it still looks awful. So, oh, wait a second. By content center. Yeah, it's actually shit. Um, wait, it's MD, right? Justify content MD center. MD center. Wait, let's see now. Not yet. Not yet. Um, let's just PX0. Wait, it should be responsive right now. Oh, yes. Let's just make this thing gone when it's set to medium. DMD. Let's search for display. Display. DMD known. Wait, oh, wrong. DL. Wrong, wrong, wrong. We'll use D. What's the smallest? The smallest thing here is. It's XL, isn't it? DXS. Oh, XS. So let's write DXS into known. But when it reached DLG, will appear. Block. Sorry. Block. Yeah, so when it's big, it will appear block. Wait, what? Um, display, how it works. Display. Wait, let's try inline. It already looks good. What's wrong with it? Let's say if it reach MD. What's the biggest thing here? The biggest is XL, right? XL. No, no, it's XL. So we use XL. When we reach XL, it will appear. When there's no XL, display XL. Go back to display. Where's display? Oh, here. Um, the XL is available here, but why doesn't it work? Why this? It keeps appearing. Wait, maybe we should. Oh yeah, we should write it again. Rewrite it. So okay, LG shouldn't appear below LG in mine, but when it's DS, it should be none. Yeah, it looks more better now. It's none. Oh no, it keeps appearing. LG in9. Never mind, just forget about this one. Display flex yet. We'll just make it like PTMD. Wait, PTMD4, I guess, better. Sorry, MD5. Yeah, it looks better now. Yes. Yes, looks better. We have the only issue right now is this. How do we take care of this? Um, wait. Sorry. MD1. No, it's messed up now. Wait. Um, call SM. It's already one, but it haven't organized itself yet. Okay, let's just remove this. Remove this. And go back. Uh, oh yeah, not one. We should have used 12. Okay, okay. Call LG. No, no, not LG. MB12. Still looks awful. Call LG, I guess. There. LG. No. There's a problem right here. This thing doesn't. Come on, just get out the screen. No, and BLG inline. It's not even big. Exploit property. Now it's gone. It's where. Let's turn the deflex. Deflex. Justify content. Center. Oh, we can't. Um, well, we can just use justify content, can we? Justify content center. It should work by itself. No, it still doesn't work. Wait, can we use MXL? MX SM out. It doesn't work still. Okay, I guess we just make the view for the computers. Okay, I guess that's it for today. Uh, you can take over.
Okay, maybe that's all. Thank you for our brother Hanif Ibrahim Zaki. Uh, uh, because he has like a simple website using Bootstrap. Uh, Maybe more or less this apology. That's all from us. And just we said, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.